Hello Cubs, ayan yung Metro Sakanat. At ang purpose ng video natin ito ay para ipakita sa inyo kung gaano kalapit yung Almo Mart, the distance of Almo Mart Sakanat from the Metro Station. Okay, let's see how many minutes this will take. I'm sorry to our kababayan na need to speak English because we have other nationalities watching us. And anyway, kumusta mga kabayan? Ito yung itsura ng Sakanat. Ayan, maraming tindahan, bazooka, palaging puno yan kahit Ramadan na. Ayan, maraming stores. Ito din na rin ng fresh vegetables. Ito ko palaging bumibili ng yan sa atin, tsaka grapes. White yung tinta ni Kuya, legit. Matamis. Tsaka pata siya, hindi siya katulad ng mga ayan. Pata siya, hindi siya katulad ng mga binibilhan natin na binibilhan kong ibang nagtitinda na alam mo medyo nadadaya ka. Ayan, papunta yan ng Midandegla. So diretso pa tayo ng konti. So nakaka 1 minute na tayo. So ito yung mga madadaanan mo papuntang Almo Mart. Just gonna straight ahead. I believe 3 to 4 minutes maximum. And we're already on Almo Mart Sakanat branch. Anyway, Sakanat was offering an app. I guess if I were not mistaken, you'll have 5% discount. Okay guys, download the app. I will show you how it looks like. Well, all you need to do guys is to click the link that I am going to provide in the comment section. It's up to you whether you want to download it or not. You will still have 5% when you order online. So if you want to download it, you can go to the Play Store and download it. You can just type Almo Mart and it will appear right away. When you're inside Almo Mart apps, you will notice that there's a lot of choices here, whether you like food, utensils, etc, etc. Just in case you want to be updated, I suggest you better download it. And now let's go back to our topic. So you will see this kids area, post 9, restaurant, cafe, kids area, play station. After that, you will see the Almo Mart. So 3.5 minutes. Okay guys, you know how short we need to walk. This is the Almo Mart Sakanat branch. You will see in the comment section all the links, all the information about the 4 branches, the addresses. Okay, so that's it. So thank you guys for always supporting our page and to all our content. I hope this is gonna be helpful for everyone. And before I forgot, shout out to Military Class 75-03 Sangkat Brothers. Mabuhay po kayo. At kay paring Melvin. Always stay safe and see you on our next video. Thank you.